From Brakwater to Kameel Se Gat.
Yo, yo.
Oh, just after that 2-kilometer mark. Got a nice refreshing little waterfall. Got some chain leather combination coming up. Folks made it up to the top already. Okay, it's just me and Kruger here behind.
Way to go.
Okay, Mark, nothing's happening.
Right, Mark?
Hello. Anybody home? I can't be a hungry woman. I don't squeak.
You go down so I can record you slipping down.
Okay. Whoa! Don't pull on the ladder.
Don't pull on the ladder.
No, don't.
Yeah, that's club base. Okay. So I suppose this is the
skull place.
yeah.
Away from the river.
Unfortunately, no drone footage because the drone is busted. Propeller is busted. Didn't bring any extra propellers. So
It's almost slightly cut.
we'll only be giving you drone footage at the huts because I don't know what happened. I think it might be that firmware update, but we'll see. Finally, some direct sunlight.
Yo, yo.
Hey.
Stop.
Looking good.
This is what I'm talking about. Two rivers coming together here. For a halfway point. Just past the 5k mark. 3 more k's to go. Let me get out of the way here. Oei, easy Roesne. Je houdt jezelf. Just past the 6-kilometer mark. How did it go so far, Sharon?
And all is well.
Yeah. So people might say this is a difficult trail. That's not true. It's a fairly easy trail. Okay.
Challenging.
See you guys at the 7-kilometer mark. This is the last water hole to swim in. Somewhere around here. Okay, so that's the swimming pool over there. I won't waste my time to swim in that muddy water. Like that. How was that?
I'm not even double jointed, but after this hike I might be.
Okay, yeah, you got a better move there.
Yeah, better job.
Make sure you mustn't do your knees.
Winter weather in the Northern Cape.
Hey, feels like 30 degrees.
I imagine what it's like here in the summer.
My colleague Evelyn will be able to tell you what it's like here in summer.
Okay.
She's further down. Whoa!
This is just after the 7-kilometer mark. Now you need a filter for this water, for sure. Okay, we're heading for that base of the cliff. It should be not too far from here. As you can see. Oh, okay, yeah, see, there's no Jojo because the river is the only source of water. There we have it, folks. Kameel Se Gat. This Sharon, in this heat.
I have to see that because I'm starting to quite exhausted and all that.
Yeah.
Pulling myself up, but
Yep. So we've just passed the 8-kilometer mark, and there should have been a waterfall here. We've been lied to. As you can see, slippery rocks. I don't see how these rocks are slippery. Let's put it to the test. Bam, down, down. So far, no slippery rocks here. Look at this waterfall here. There's the waterfall for you folks. It looks like more like a water drop here. I mean a drop fall.
And you go in the back.
Go in the back.
Okay.
Right through.
We'll take that out now.
Uh,
Wish me luck because I'm gonna go through horror tunnel. Where there's
or else
a
you go
water
the other one,
waterfall.
can go through there. I think there's a rock. I don't know if I haven't checked it out.
Let's go.
Wanna go?
I'm gonna go. I'm gonna wait for you guys on the other side.
lunches.
So let's do this, Brutus. I believe there's slippery rocks here. Alright, I see what you're saying. This in my bag. Ooh. Bag, I must pull behind me now.
Okay, must I go?
That's fine, I'm here. So I might as well, ma.
Back off there.
This is a must do, folks. Can't come to
Oh, you're gonna go?
Oorlogskloof and not do something like this, go through here. That's fine, I can manage. There we go. Bag is off. Let's go. It's tight. Tight up here. Got Noel behind me. Yeah. No. I know GoPro has the worst reputation for low light recording, but as long as you can see something here. All right, made it. Hello from the other side.
If there's a waterfall coming down and you can't go that route.
Okay,
have
then
to
this
go
is your
this
best bet.
Yeah.
Right, we're on the other side. Yeah. We can. Seems like No got stuck here. His bag got stuck.
Bag is big for this thing.
Right, it's true. Comes the tough lady. Ah.
Okay, backpack off.
Yeah, of course. Yes, he comes. She's not taking the easy route. That's for sure.
Taking the route less traveled.
Yeah. Whoa, congratulations, man.
And jubilation.
You made it.
Hey. Oh, what a yes.
It's amazing how these people build a hut in the middle of nowhere.
Yeah, no, that's
With
hande
no
arbeid.
roads to this spot.
Hande arbeid. Oh,
No
hande
roads.
arbeid.
We left at 8 o'clock this morning from Brakwater Hut. We got here 20 to 3 at Kameel Se Gat. So let's see what this hut has to offer if you are going to come and hike this trail. It's a fairly easy hike. Took us a bit long because it's a bit of rock scrambling, but other than that, yeah, we've done worse. So here we go, Kameel Se Gat. Yeah, I see ya. This is underneath. Now you gotta have respect for the people who built this hut here. There's no roads to this place. Up here. Okay. Look at that view. Beautiful. Man, the accommodation is fantastic. Undeniably fantastic. Okay, yeah, there you have it, Kameel Se Gat.
Don't look like that out. And he used to look healthy now. Many years.
Cheers! Gesundheit!